If you're looking for the world's most packable and versatile adventure jacket that'll actually keep you warm, you'll want to hear this. We're Outdoor Vitals, and we help adventurers live ultralight by designing premium ultralight products that provide more enjoyable outdoor experiences. We know making premium products can get expensive, so we sell directly to our consumers. This lowers unnecessary costs and allows us to produce quality designs on everything from our sleeping bags to our backpacks without breaking your bank account. We asked our followers what should be next, and the vote was unanimous: an ultralight packable jacket. We didn't want to create the same old jacket as everyone else, so for the last 4 years we've been obsessed with developing the world's best minimalist adventure jacket. The biggest problem with other jackets was the insulation, so we started there. Down jackets are extremely light and packable, but don't stand well with moisture or sweat. Synthetic jackets work great with moisture, but are super bulky and not as warm as down. We wanted a jacket that was light and packable, but could still handle broad temperature ranges and extreme weather. Something that could take on anything and everything. We tested every insulation we could find, but nothing hit our criteria. So we partnered with a new innovative company to create our own insulation, and we didn't stop iterating until we were 100% satisfied. The result is a new unique insulation called LoftTek, and it changes everything. LoftTek is the world's most advanced synthetic down imitation. You get the ultralight warmth and packability of down and the versatility and moisture advantages of synthetic. Unlike down, LoftTek uses siliconized fibers that dry quickly and always stay lofted for optimal warmth, even when wet. The loose-feel nature of the fibers mimics down's extreme warmth to weight ratios and packability. If you've ever hiked in a down jacket, you'll know it's easy to sweat because of the fabric coatings. LoftTek insulation does not require as many coatings. This makes the jacket extremely breathable and prevents overheating. We created a unique baffle design that reduces sewing lines while still keeping the insulation stabilized in order to retain the most heat possible. LoftTek gives you better versatility than any down insulation and better warmth than any other synthetic insulation. The best part is, the birds are loving it. Adventures range from summiting peaks to exploring cities, so our jacket has features for it all. We cut the jacket athletically and drop the back for optimal comfort and appearance. The high neck collar and adjustable hem stop cold air from sneaking in, while elastic cuffs and thumb holes hold the sleeves in place and seal to the elements. An insulated two-way adjustable hood keeps your head warm and never hinders visibility or movement. Insulated pockets keep your hands toasty, or you can use the zippers to seal in valuables. When you start hiking, let heat escape quickly through the zippered armpit vents. Best of all, the jacket easily stuffs into its own pocket for travel or use as a pillow. Unlike down, no special washes are required for our jacket, and its quick drying abilities make it easy to clean even when not at home. We used an ultralight 20 denier ripstop nylon for the outer shell to keep the jacket extremely light and durable. Vital Dry durable water repellency coats the fabric so the rain rolls right off the jacket. An even lighter 10 denier ripstop is used to line the inside of the jacket where there's less probability of abrasion, cutting the jacket down to a mere 12 ounces. I know some of you are thinking that a synthetic jacket can never be as good as a down jacket. I get it, I thought the same thing. That's why I tested the jacket myself in extreme situations. Just this last May, I was backpacking at 11,000 feet. At this elevation, I knew it could get cold fast, and there's always a chance of unexpected weather. Instead of taking a rain jacket and a down jacket, I took the lighter and smaller option, my prototype LoftTek jacket. Sure enough, halfway to the peak, the sunny skies changed to a blizzard. Rather than retreating to lower elevations and setting up shelter, or having to use an unbreathable rain and down jacket combo, I threw on my LoftTek jacket and kept going. I stayed warm and watched Mother Nature run her course. When the storm broke, I was at the top of the peak watching the sunshine on fresh, beautiful snow. Without the LoftTek jacket, I would have turned around before reaching the top and missed what I came for. Don't let weather or gear keep you from enjoying the best parts of your adventures. Enjoy the warmth, weight, and packability of an expensive down jacket, as well as the moisture and temperature control of a premium synthetic jacket, all in one amazing ultralight adventure jacket. Retail companies would price a jacket like this between $200 and $300, but thanks to our direct-to-consumer business model, direct partnership with sewing manufacturers and material providers, we're able to give you a feature-rich product with the highest-end materials and our innovative LoftTek insulation at a remarkably competitive price. We are so confident in our quality that we guarantee every jacket with a lifetime warranty on manufacturing and craftsmanship. Don't pack a heavy or cold jacket with you any longer. Start living ultralight and adventuring on your terms by grabbing your adventure jacket now.
Hey, I'm Adrian the Canadian, and this is a backpack. But it's not just any backpack. This bag's been made entirely from recycled plastic recovered from the ocean. The oceans are suffering. We're dumping in 17 billion pounds of plastic into our oceans every year. A garbage truck holds 30,000 pounds. That's the equivalent of one garbage truck every minute, every day of an entire year. And the oceans are really important. The ocean supplies us 70% of the oxygen that we breathe. 3 billion people rely on the ocean for their primary source of protein. And that's not all. The whole plastic floating island thing, you know, that thing in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Within 5 months, 90% of the plastic that finds its way into the ocean sinks to the bottom of the sea. This whole ocean plastics thing is a huge problem. There's really just two solutions. Stop the flow of plastic into the ocean and take out the plastic that is in the ocean. And with this, we're tackling both. Last year when traveling in Asia, I got to see firsthand just how bad the plastic epidemic is. For the last year and a half, I've been working with our suppliers to find out how to change that garbage into good. Step one, we collect plastic out of the oceans. Once we collect the plastic from the oceans, we take it up, we separate it out into different plastic types. The plastic that we cannot use, we give to another recycling facility. What we're mainly after is the PET material. That's what a lot of plastic bottles are made from. The plastics that we can use, we then break those down into flakes. Those flakes are then melted down into pellets. Those pellets are then stretched into yarn. That yarn is then woven into being a fabric. Then we take that fabric, we cut that up, and we sew it together to make these bags. It comes with all the features you've come to know and love from us. Features like drop-proof laptop storage, secret and secure passport pockets, credit card pockets, and it even comes with a special pocket for a stainless steel straw. And yes, that stainless steel straw is included. In the front pocket, there's an easy access key hook, and of course, a bottle opener. We've developed and tested a revolutionary zero waste shipping solution. When you receive the product, you cut open the biodegradable zip tie, unzip it, take out your Daypack. Then you can reverse the packaging to be used as a tote bag. Over the last 5 years, we've run 3 Kickstarter campaigns and we've shipped hundreds of thousands of products to people all over the world. The first backpack we launched was LifePack, the solar-powered and anti-theft backpack. In total, LifePack raised $1.2 million through crowdfunding, which is now in the homes of 50,000 people in 81 countries. Now with the Daypack, we've taken everything we've learned and we've made it into an everyday format. I've always wanted to make a positive difference in the world, and I thought the way to do it was waiting until I was in my 50s and starting a foundation or something. But the time is now. The ocean plastics epidemic is only getting worse. The ocean is the reason this planet is able to support life. It creates 70% of our oxygen. Look, maybe you don't need this backpack, but you know someone who does. For every bag that we make, we're pulling up about 5 pounds of plastic from the ocean. By backing this project today, you're part of step 1 of our mission of upcycling 100 million pounds of ocean trash in the next 5 years. Thank you for your support.
Introducing Transforma X, the world's most advanced gym, travel, commuter, adventure bag. A bag specially designed for professionals, athletes, travelers, and explorers. It's the only bag with a removable air purifier that stops odors in their tracks, killing bacteria with ultraviolet light and ozone gas. To freshen clothes, simply press the button on the front of the purifier, stick it into any of the 3 mesh air purifier pockets, and close the main compartment. The external ventilation system allows air to circulate from the inside to the outside of the bag, leaving no place for bacteria to grow. Never lose power again and charge your mobile devices up to 3 times using the removable, shockproof, waterproof solar power bank. And that solar power bank, it also doubles as a flashlight when you need it. It's the only backpack with a built-in sensor and integrated digital scale. It keeps track of the exact weight in ounces, pounds, or kilograms being carried, ensuring compliance with airline baggage restrictions. Is food going bad in your bag? Transforma has an insulated side pocket that lets you stow hot or cold beverage bottles or small food items, keeping the temperature you want for up to 5 hours. Transforma's waterproof exterior shields electronic devices and other valuables from rain, sleet, and snow, ensuring that all content stays safe and dry. This tech-friendly tote offers premium support to today's digital nomads, starting with secure, easy-access storage for laptops up to 15 inches. Commuters will love the diverse array of storage options the Transforma X offers. From special pockets ideal for storing chargers, wallets, shavers, and almost everything else, to a multi-purpose pocket with a book compartment and a keychain holder. The clamshell opening gives access to the 39-liter interior that can hold up to 100 items. That's more than enough for your upcoming trip or adventure. The mesh netting in the main compartment lets you separate and isolate dirty clothes from clean ones. The valuables compartment is padded with anti-scratch lining for convenient storage for iPads, tablets, and almost any expensive items such as jewelry and watches. Zippered pockets in the shoulder straps serve as a secure place to store credit cards, IDs, and other small valuables. These pockets are also used to store our multi-tool that has 10 day-to-day uses. Stowable ergonomic shoulder and waist straps let you convert the Transforma X from a duffel bag into a backpack, letting you choose the weight distribution that works best for you. This smart design puts an end to back or neck pain. Adjustable side straps let you secure bulky items like a tripod, yoga mat, or even a large towel. Another gadget for hikers is a survival bracelet that includes 8 outdoor essentials. The Transforma X Smart Bag is everything you could want a bag to be: secure, dependable, versatile, and convenient. Choose the bag that adapts to you. Choose Transforma X.
Hello everyone, I am Nabil and this is Omar, and we are the founders of SigmaFit and the creators of the Transforma X bag.
SigmaFit is a techwear company specialized in the athletic gear and accessories.
We're engineers who quit their full-time job to change how people think about their athletic gear by implementing technology.
That's why we started our first hydrophobic line, which is stain repellent, liquid repellent, minimizing the water, electricity wasted.
1 year ago, we decided to solve a huge problem by creating a bag that can fit working professionals, athletes, travelers, and hikers.
So we started creating the Transforma bag, which will have ultraviolet rays technology, O3 purification that kills the bacteria, purify the air inside the bag. Not only that, it will fix a huge issue for the travelers by having an integrated weight scale. And finally, it will have a solar charger that could charge all your electronics gadgets.
This is our first time on Kickstarter, and we're coming to you with the smartest bag ever created. Since the launch of our brand SigmaFit, we pledged to offer the best products and experience to our customers all over the world. Transforma X has always been our biggest dream, and with your support, we'll make it a reality. Thank you.